Welcome, here I've got ASUS Zenfone 8 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to video. Here we are. Now let's move to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Here let's focus on video category. At the third position we have video stabilization option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And here in this device we have also one way to stabilize our video better. So let's move back to the video preview and focus on the settings bar. Now let's tap to the second from the right button. And here we have the hyper steady stabilization. Another tap to turn it off, so we can use this as we need, and this is one extra way to do it better here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.